everyone, and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, we are doing another Allure unboxing of our Allure beauty box. Okay, before we get started, if you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe now. Make sure you like this video. Also, if you would like to check out my vlog channel, my movie review channel, or my husband's podcast channel, all of that is linked down below, as well as the link to my social media. So let's get into it. Car is going by, so if you hear the noise, that's what it is. The window's open. It's hot in here. So if you are new, this is what our beauty box comes like. Then you open it up, and that's what it looks like inside. And then you get the pamphlet telling you everything that's in your beauty box. I've showed this to you guys before, but some of you may be new, so we'll just go over it again. So like page by page, it tells you all about it. All of your products are in here, and it also gives you the retail value of each of these products. So we have a $20 gift card from Bubble Bar. Not sure what that is, but I will check it out. Also inside, exclusively curated of more than 80 of the top brands in fitness, fashion, and footwear. Enjoy 15% off with code. So another code for fitness wear, I'm assuming. Oh, has a little pamphlet of everything, or some things. Nice bathing suit. I really like the bathing suit, the black one. Okay, so we have at SGX NYC. This is the Do-It-All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray. So I'm assuming this is some dry shampoo, which, let's face it, in the summertime, we all need dry shampoo. I'm pretty sure you, just like me, you don't wash your hair every week or every day like you're supposed to. My hair gets really dry, so I am like every 3 days in the summertime, or every week, depending on how I feel. Okay. Then we have Thermal Spring Water Spray, Soothing, Softening. I can't pronounce that name, so I'm not going to garble it, but I will show you. Some of you may be able to pronounce it. Oh, and this month, guys, our bag is green. Next we have my new favorite lip gloss by Floss. So let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's just a shiny gloss, and I will put it on, but I already have on a different lip gloss, so yeah. There's that. And then we have 3 more items. So we have the Brow Gal. I think we got the Brow Gal before. This little eyebrow pencil, and it has the little sharpener on this end. You take it off. There it is. This is like a dark brown. If you guys can see that. And the little brush on the end of that. Next we have Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. And finally we have Moroccan Oil Treatment. It comes in this little bottle. Sorry about the noise, guys. It annoys me just as much as it annoys you. But anyway, that is it for our June Allure Beauty Box unboxing. Let me know if you've tried any of these products, what you think. Also, if you have tried the beauty box yourself through my channel, also let me know that. I would like to know what you think about the beauty box. Your first box is $10, just $10 for great products. Some of you already know that from watching my previous Allure beauty box unboxing. Some of you may not know that, but it's only $10 for your first box, and I will link that down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you for all the support. We are finally getting back to what is our new normal in our family. So thank you so much for your prayers and your thoughts, in this event of our tragedy. I really appreciate it. Again, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel if you are not already. Make sure you like this video. Let's share this video out so we can get to 10,000 subscribers so we can do the giveaway. We're getting closer and closer, but I need you guys' help to help me get there so we can do the giveaway. And until next time, bye.